So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, substring from third position. That means you have to extract set of characters from the third position. So third position में क्या है? P. तो आपका ये क्या करेगा? एक्सट्रैक्ट करना स्टार्ट करेगा यहाँ से. फ्रॉम थर्ड पोजिशन इट विल स्टार्ट extracting the characters from here. So it will extract P. Then next is what? U. Then what is the next character? T, then E, and then R. That means from third position it will extract all the characters. Okay, so if you look at the output, you have P, U, T, E, R stored in variable P. Fine, because the output is a set of characters, it's a string, so that's why the variable that is used to store is of string type. Okay, so the return type of this function is string. We can take some other example also. Let's say we have substring. Okay, let's say we have Alan, okay, dot substring 1. Okay, so you have 0, 1, 2, 3. Now including this first position, okay, so you have L in the first position. Okay, including the first position, you will start extracting from here. So you have L, that is would be extracted, then E would be extracted, and what's the last one? N would be extracted. That would be the output. Okay, then you have substring int start index, int last index. So over here we only had the starting position. In this function, what is the difference? They are giving the first starting position as well as the last position. So you have, what is the return type of this function? String. The name of the function is substring. Okay, so it's a variation. Now okay, this okay, it is another modification of substring function. It will return a set of characters simultaneously from start index up to last index. Now just remember, start index, that is start position, would be included. Okay, and last index would be excluded. Okay, so whatever the last position would be, the extraction would be excluding that character in that specific position. Okay, excluding the character present at the last index. Okay, we will understand when we do this. You have string S, computer. Now computer is stored in variable S. Now what it is saying here? S substring 3, 6. 3 क्या हुआ आपका? Start index. और 6 क्या हुआ आपका? लास्ट इंडेक्स. दैट मीन्स यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है स्ट्रिंग को. दिस इज योर कॉमा या. ओके, सो अप्लाई सबस्ट्रिंग फंक्शन ऑन वेरिएबल एस. एस की वैल्यू क्या है? कंप्यूटर. सो लेट्स मार्क द पोजिशन या 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो आपका क्या दे रखा है? थर्ड पोजिशन से लेकर कहाँ तक? 6th पोजिशन तक. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? ये इंक्लूड होगा थर्ड पोजीशन और 6th पोजीशन एक्सक्लूड होगा. तो यहाँ तक आपको नहीं करना है. 6th पोजीशन में जो भी कैरेक्टर है वो आपको नहीं इंक्लूड करना है फॉर एक्सट्रैक्शन. सो व्हाट द आउटपुट? द एक्सट्रैक्शन वुड बिगिन फ्रॉम द थर्ड पोजीशन. द आउटपुट वुड बी P, and what is the next character? U, and what is the next character? T. E will not be included. Okay, the output would be PUT. So 6th position में, just remember, the starting index would be included. Whatever the value, whatever the character is then the starting position, that would be included, and whatever is there in the last position, character whatever character there in the last position, that would be excluded. Then you have string to lowercase. It's a very easy function. This function converts a given string into lowercase character. If any character is already in lowercase or a special character or is a special character, then it will remain same. Now this function, the output would be, the return type of this function is string. That means the output of this function would be in string form. Okay, so you have S is equal to computer. So you have computer value stored in variable S. Now you are doing what? S to lowercase. Apply to lowercase function on variable S. वेरिएबल एस की वैल्यू क्या है? कंप्यूटर. तो ये क्या करेगा? टू लोअर केस, ये पूरा स्ट्रिंग को कन्वर्ट कर देगा लोअर केस में. फाइन, तो ये क्या करा आपने? एस टू लोअर केस, तो पूरा क्या हो गया? कंप्यूटर इन स्मॉल लेटर, एंड वट एवर वैल्यू दैट वी आर गेटिंग आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग इन टू लोअर केस, दैट वुड बी असाइन टू वेरिएबल P. So here P will result in computer. Okay, and then they are saying is, if a string is already in lowercase, let's say if I'm trying to here, let's say pet dot lowercase two lowercase, sorry. Okay, now this string is already in lowercase, the output would be PET. There won't be any change. Okay, if there is a special character, let's say dollar, okay, so it will also remain unaffected. There would be a dollar as an output. So this is what they are saying. So this function to lowercase is used to convert a string into lowercase.